Hello, good morning to you. Welcome. It's Sunday, 7th of August, and here we are with a story. Well, it's an update really, but I must say, don't get too excited because it's not over yet, and it's the never-ending saga of the money that we weren't paid. The UC claimants got £20 a week, and legacy benefits got bugger all. And of course, there was a case of discrimination, and four claimants have taken the DWP to court, and it was kicked out. Unfortunately, they said that there is no discrimination and tough titties, basically. So the legacy benefit claimants got nothing, but however, they have applied to appeal. And this story here is notifying you that they have been given permission to go to the Court of Appeal, and they can now appeal the decision. So it's not over yet. Let's have a look. People on legacy benefits could be due the £1,500, but don't get your hopes up, because they can still get out of it. They can still not pay it. But it is more than 2 million people who missed out on the 20 quid a week that was paid to UC. And of course, it was taken away quite recently. So it is about 1,500 that people are owed. And why not? Because disabled people on legacy benefits have, similar or higher costs. So the legal team who lost the High Court challenge in February have confirmed that an application to appeal has been successful. So they have permission now to go to the High Court, the appeal court, because the High Court dismissed it in February. They're challenging the UK government on the uplift to legacy benefit claimants, and of course they've decided that there was no discrimination. Now, on the 3rd of August, the Court of Appeal has granted permission to appeal. Now, obviously, this could be a long-winded process, so don't get too excited. And of course, if they do agree that there is an issue, there's no reason why the DWP will pay it, because they can actually get out of it. There's lots of ways out. So this was the uplift. It was not extended to older benefits. That's ESA, income support, JSA, and things like that. But 4 claimants bought a High Court challenge, and they applied to have this legacy benefit get the £20 a week, which was owed, and quite logically, it was seen as discrimination. The judges ruled that the difference in treatment was justified. Was it really justified? Disabled people have the same or higher costs. UC payment was only paid, in my opinion, because they were scared that people who were made unemployed and having to claim this crappy benefit would discover how low the money was and would have complained, so they gave them 20 quid a week to shut them up. Basically, that's my opinion. So a petition was created before the High Court ruling, calling for it to be backdated to all benefit claimants, and it's received more than 27,000 signatures at the time of writing, and a response from the DWP, which was a load of bullshit. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. So, if you want to sign it, then you can do. I will try and put a link down below. But the 100,000 signatures, they have to be debated in Parliament. So, at the moment, it's not very many, but we can actually get that to 100,000 disabled people. Because bear in mind that there is actually well, there's 2 million people who would get this, so it is quite an incentive for you to sign this challenge, because you know it's 1,500 quid in your pocket for free, and it's something that you're owed. Yeah, I mean, let's face it, why should you see Lemons get it and nobody else? It's only fair. So there you go, the never-ending saga of 1,500. I mean, by the time we actually get round to getting it, if we do, the value of it, because of inflation, it'll probably be worth about 15 pence. Right, that's it from me. See you later in the live stream at 4 p.m. Have a good day. Just a quick message. I mean, it's very easy to do. Just go over to these platforms and click the button, the big red button that says subscribe. Help me out. Support me on these platforms: OurTube, Brand YouTube, BitTube, YouTube and Odyssey.